Praxis, and today I'm working on this little perimeter wall that goes between sort of like the walking area in the greenhouse, which is just going to have like short clover and stuff like that that'll kind of mow, and the active garden area, which is on the outside. I decided to make this the thickness of the active garden, and I put this stick down off the wall, and I nailed in a bunch of these little stakes in here. There's one right here, and I pulled all the rest of them out and they're piled up over there. And I nailed them all in a consistent distance from the wall. I am radiusing the corners. I'm working on one here. You can see I already got a radius corner right over here. Then I hammered them all in to be a consistent depth, so that the top surface of each of these stakes, based on this bubble level, is the same height, and I'm matching the tops of the bricks to that height, just to make sure that it's a nice consistent height all the way around, just for cosmetics. And I guess since this thing has kind of a gravity flow sort of stream that waters everything, elevations are kind of important. So I'm working on this corner right here. These bricks are the bricks that I had been using for the chicken coop run, the outdoor run area. I used these as kind of a temporary foundation underneath that, so that I would be able to kind of prevent animals from getting in there and attacking them. It made it hard to dig under. But now they're moved, they're in a new place, and it's time to give these guys a new life. So I'm using the bubble level to just confirm that I stay consistent. This one looks like it's a good height. And packing some of this soil around it, and we'll just keep going around the perimeter here. I love the idea of taking assets and reusing them for other purposes. You know, these bricks, I'm not sure what they were used for prior to my inheriting them. Maybe they were used in a building or something like that. Then I got them. I got to use some of them for the wood stove hearth, and then some of them got used temporarily for the chicken coop. And I always knew their ultimate use, for me anyway, is probably gonna stay here until I'm dead anyway, and then maybe somebody else comes and thinks, that's an ugly wall, I want to use those bricks for something else, and then they'll be able to use them for something else at that point. If you're ever laying a wall like this outside, and you live in a frost area, you probably want to actually go a lot deeper than these bricks are going. I'm able to do it out here because it's in the greenhouse, and we don't really have frost heaving or anything like that going on. Just want to double check I didn't nudge that one. But if you were going to be doing this outside, I'll just set that in a little. If you were going to do it outside, you would want to set these guys a little deeper if you live in an area that has frost. The reason I'm being so meticulous about this is that, not because I care if one brick is a little bit high, but as I'm going, you know, they could kind of rise and fall, so I want to just kind of keep them as accurate as I can as I go. I'll just put this guy in. I like when they start high and then I kind of tap them in. I feel like it gives them a little bit of a better foundation. Mostly just comparing it between the two and then doing a sanity check off of the stick, and that one still looks good. So I'm going to continue with these over to here, and then what I'll do is really do a good job of leveling out this area. And I've got some dirt ready to come in from outside, and then I'm going to plant clover in here and let the clover start growing, and then this area here will turn into a nice area to kind of walk around on, and this greenhouse will really start turning green when all of this is growing. That's it. Thanks for watching.